Yo, 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 what's the dealio, man? Listen, you already know I got a straight banger for you today, alright? So in this video, I ain't gonna lie, y'all. This video is this one is about to turn you up. Alright? This video right here is about to change your life. Alright? We're gonna talk about the trading sessions. I'm gonna help you guys understand this game on a crazy level. All right? We're going to talk about the New York trading session. Okay? So, everybody thinks, I don't want to say everybody, but when you get into this game, this trading game, most people think that you wake up, you trade at 9:30 and that's it. Right? Whether they in market for 30 minutes or whatever, no matter how much money they make, people think that you just wake up, you trade and that's it. But it's important to understand why stocks are moving, right? So, if you didn't know, when you wake up and trade in the stock market at 9:30, that is the New York trading session. Okay? We are trading the financial markets. So you have the New York trading session, you have the London trading session, you have the Asia trading session, right? Now, when you understand this, it's going to change how you look at the market. Now, in the morning time, people don't know it, but the New York session, that's from 9:30 to 4, actually has two trading sessions inside of the one big trading session, right? Now, this is why reversals happen, right? This is why reversals happen. So, when you see a stock go up, and it's been coming up all day, and you're like, dang. And then afternoon, you're like, what, it dropped by this? That's because it rejected off the high of what? The AM session. So you have an AM and a PM session, okay? You have a New York AM and a PM session, and you got the London session. And then y'all might be wondering, okay, why do they say that the best time to trade is the first 90 minutes of the market? Break this down for you. So we have the London session, okay? The London session. So the London session ends at 9:30 a.m. 11 a.m. Eastern. And the New York AM session starts at 9:30 a.m. and it ends at 12 p.m. Eastern. Okay? So, when we look at this, right? When we understand this right here, let me do this. When we understand this, we can say, oh, wow. Boom. Right? So, we got the London session right here. And then we have the New York session right here. Okay? Now, what does that mean? What does that equal? What that equals is the biggest volume of institutional money. Institutional money. Right? So, this is the biggest volume where institutions are trading at in this first 90 minutes of the New York Open session. Right? Now, also, it's also going to be the most volatile. Okay? Now, this is how it goes. This is how it works. And then there's a lunch break. All right? Between 12 p.m. EST and 1:30 p.m. EST. So for 90 minutes, the market goes on break. They go on lunch, right? Now, what happens during this time? Okay. During this time right here, you have consolidation. You have spreads widen, right? Or you have low volume. Okay. So during this lunch break, this is what usually happens. Okay. So now, let me make this a little lower. Now we have this right here. Actually, I'm going to do this. Spread this over to the right here. Put this right here. Boom. So this is the flow of the day now. Right? We got, hold on. All right. So we got the London session. It starts at 3 a.m. Eastern, right? Just so you guys know. So it starts at 3 a.m. Eastern, ends at 11 a.m. New York session opens at 9:30 a.m. Eastern, which is going in the end of here. Volume comes in, and then what happens? Boom. So we have the biggest volume of institutional money flow. Now, when we are looking at these, when we are looking at the New York AM session, right, and you're looking at trading, your price targets, right? Price targets. Where does price usually go to? Previous days, fair value gaps. Mind blowing, right? Previous day fair value gaps. Now, watch this. New York PM session opens. This is usually where you have reversals come into play, right? Now, when reversals happen here, what are going to be your price targets on those reversals? The New York AM session fair value gaps. Right? I told you I was going to blow y'all mind. So this is how it goes. So we have a lot of stuff that happens here. Bingo, right? Volume comes in because we got London session and New York session both open at the same time. Biggest volume, right? We have directional moves. We have volatility for at 90 minutes, right? Well, this is two and a half hours in a New York session, but that first 90 minutes is London and New York session. Then we go on a lunch break, consolidation, the spreads widen, volume drops. Then we start to have a reversal in this direction. And then what ends up happening? Where do the reversals go to? Where's the price targets? The New York AM fair value gaps. That is what happens. That is what happens. So on an everyday basis, this is kind of the flow of the day. Right here. Okay? Now, let's go here. Let's go to QQQ. All right. Now let's just say we on the hourly, right? So look, let's go to the 30 minute. Okay. So look, so we have fair value gaps right here, down all the way down here. If you come to the 15, you might find some more, right, in these areas right here. So there wasn't a lot here, right? But let's go to where we've already seen it, right? So right here, right? So this is the previous day. So this is on Friday. So Friday, the market opens, right? The market opens down here and it pushes up. Okay. It pushes up and it fills this gap. So it fills this gap. Now, on the way up, we had some fair value gaps that were created in the morning time open session, right? Afternoon time frame comes, and what do? We fill the gaps down here, right, into the New York's fair value gaps, the AM sessions fair value gaps, right? So your morning time session is going to set you up for your afternoon time session, and your previous day session is going to set you up for the morning. So a good example, look at Netflix. Netflix had a failed 2 down on Friday, right? If we go to the 30-minute, we had a fair value gap right down here. Look where Netflix came down to. Right, look where Netflix came down to. They came right into this fair value gap and then they bounced. So this is going to be your entry to go long if you want to day trade Netflix. Then you can enter here from 66, right it up to there, and you could be done. But you can do this on any stock. You just have to find your actual levels, right? Oracle, this is a fair value gap right here. So what did Oracle do? It came down into this fair value gap and then it bounced off of here, this order block, and now they're starting to push up, right? So we're going to see what happens later on in the day today on Oracle. But as we can see right here, a fair value gap was created right here in the New York morning session. They rejected up here and then they came down into this fair value gap in the afternoon time frame right down here for where the morning's New York AM session was at, right? So once again, the morning market opens up at 9:30 a.m. Eastern. We got London and New York trading. The most volume is in the first 90 minutes, okay? And then what happens is previous day fair value gaps are price targets, or if we're going to have continuation, we're going to have a breakout. And then what happens? We have a lunch break, consolidation happens, spreads widen, the volume gets lower. And then in the afternoon, that's when reversals start to happen. And then once reversals start to happen, what ends up happening? They come down into the fair value gaps of the New York AM session. All right. If you guys can understand this, once again, this could change you guys' life on a level that you didn't even fully fathom. This can really, really, really change your life. All right. So I hope that this video, guys, helped you out, right? Understanding that New York session, understand that there's 2 sessions. And if you treat each session like its own individual session, that's where you can start to see resistance, support, and rejection. And then you could go from there. All right. Be sure to join the Discord, right? Join the Discord, come trade with us. Like I always say, make sure you get about your head. Go get into this world because your head is a dangerous place to live. All right. And also remember, y'all, the more you study, the less you worry. All right. Y'all have a great day. I'm going to holler at y'all on the next video. Y'all stay smooth. Peace.